Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to remove the green screen in Filmora 11. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so first of all, here I am in Filmora 11. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get two video clips and I add them here to my Filmora 11, and I will show you how we can remove the green screen. So let's get started. Okay, so one of the easy way that I do normally is going to the stock media, and this is a very easy way for you actually to use. For example, let me just go ahead and search for green screen effect. Okay, and I will just search from Pixabay, and we also have Upsplash for pictures, pixels, and Giphy. You can always search for green screen effects from here, and you can also search for videos. That's what I like the most about this Filmora 11, and that is why I purchased it from the first place. I know you can always go to Google and search them, but it's just so much faster to do it this way. So yeah, these here are some green screen effects. We have this camera effect right here. You have these cats, and you have a lot of effects. You can just search and choose whichever one you like. Okay, you have the subscribe thing. So I have already downloaded some of them. I have the cat effect and I have this one. So let's just say I want to have this one with something like, let's just choose any video, probably something like, let's say this one. Let's just download it right here and then add it to our timeline. Alright, so we have already downloaded this video, and you can always go, you can drag and drop it right here, or you can also go to the downloads, and here are the videos that I have downloaded off of Pixabay. So let's go and drag and drop them to our timeline just like that, and let's match the media. And also we want to add, say that I want to add the cat right here. Okay, so we have the cat effect, and we have this thing right here just like that. Okay, so here's the cat effect, and here is the video. So you always the green screen always has to be on top. Don't have it here and don't have it down. You want to have it on top of the video. Here we have, right? So what you want to do here is you want to click and select the video of the green screen. Okay, so you click on it, and then you go to this icon here, right here, where it says chroma key. All right, this one is what you want to select. So click on that chroma key, and here you go, guys. Just as simple as that. You just click on it and it's going to do its magic immediately. You can always adjust, you see, like so, just like that. It's already working perfectly, but we can also adjust the offset, tolerance, edge thickness, and edge feather. Okay, so you can go something like this, right? You see the eyes are disappearing, and so we don't want to do that. So you want to keep the eyes. I want to just see if it's correct. Okay, yeah, so yeah, it's actually perfect. We don't need to edit anything here really, but sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, sometimes you see like something like this blurry, so you just play with the tolerance or the edge thickness or something like that. All right, just to get it set up perfectly. You see, now I can adjust those things, and yeah, let me just have it like this, probably something like that, right? And the feeder, okay, something like this, or just leave it normal. All right, so this is how it looks like. We can also adjust the size just like that, and I want to have my cat right there, and let's play back and see what happened. All right, you see the cat here. It's nice and easy. It's very simple, guys. And also let's try again with this book right here, right? So again, all right, we want to have the green screen right here on top of your video, and you just click on it. You go to the chroma key, click on it, and it's doing its magic, right? Just if you want to, yeah, it's also perfect, man. Like, we don't need to actually do anything with it, right? It's just doing its magic without having to do anything else. But sometimes it doesn't work, like I said. Sometimes you have like some shadows here and there. So all you gotta do is to play with the edge thickness and offset and tolerance. Alright, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.